Give it to him.
Give me my balloon. Here.
There.
Look.
Keep blowing. Uh-huh. You're gonna be on Funniest Home Videos.
Ta-da.
Uh-huh. Keep on blowing Funniest Home Videos.
Here, hold that spot where the
Keep
air
blowing
is coming.
Funniest Home.
Hold that spot where the air is coming out and then blow. Joseph, don't keep hold. Joseph, if you do, it's gonna pop. Are you blowing it or letting it
Sit
out?
on it, Joseph. Sit on it.
Oh!
Sit
Hey,
on it.
Can I suck some in? No.
Emmy.
Can I blow some? No, you can't suck some. Hey!
Keep blowing,
Can
Joe.
I listen to Amazing Grace? Okay, I know you do.
Joseph.
I'm gonna sit on it.
Okay.
It's gonna pop.
You'll probably fall down. Go. Sit. Jump. God.
Watch.
Jump on it.
Oh my gosh! Pop! Pop!
Man.
It didn't
Balloon
do
made
it.
her-
Can I do something else? No. No, not with the balloon. Yeah, you keep blowing it off like. Ready?
Oh, God. Here we go.
Okay.
We went from entertainment to danger.
Okay.
Come on, blow. See who can pop it first. Blow, see who can pop it.
Ew!
Go, Joe. Blow, blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow. Golly. Look at that thing. Keep blowing, Joe.
It's like a wee-wee.
Blow. Hey. Don't get by me. Make it back. Pop it. Squeeze it with your hands. Squeeze it with your hands and pop it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it.
I know what to do. Oh, y'all. The thing came. Now it's gonna pop. It went out of air. Ready? Here we go. Since everybody. Ow! Sorry. Don't kick me. Don't kick me.
Stop.